YouTube, what's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang. You see what I deal with, man? We there with another one, you know. Yes, man. We there back in the lab with none under that. Hey, it's been a minute. We actually reacted to this artist. You know what I'm saying? When we first reacted, we tell you, say, yo, the artist, I go bad, you know. My God, body is very talented. You got a place in the game. You just gotta play it right. And a lot of artists will review and talk about, you know. You see me, we usually get it right. You see me, I say, gang. Yeah, so Jquan, if you do your thing, trust me, you got a place in the game, man. But yeah, man, gang. Before we jump into the track, man, make sure you like and subscribe button. Join the latest reaction channel on YouTube, man. Join the fam. Road to 10K and beyond. You see me, I say. But yeah, man, we there with Jquan. Yeah, man, the artist, yeah, man, very talented. You have a place in that game, bro. And we there with a track named Cheers to Life. Check it out and see what dog I deal with. They want to drop like 3 weeks ago. I was been supposed to react to this, but we're just getting around to it. Want to see what I deal with, man, and see what it's about. You see me, I say, gang. So jump around and try. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let's get it. Jquan, Cheers to Life.
Feed a new year, 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 we gon' reach out these and for buy because I think go below. Poverty fi dead this year, we gon' kill you. No spend with new year, we gon' reach out these and for buy because I think go below. Poverty fi dead this year, we gon' kill you. No spend with budget billions in I picture me dog, you can't liaise in charge, yeah, get up.
Me agree. Me a bum. Me agree. Me a bum. Come true, bro. Yes, man, me agree. This year we are rich out. Beast of buy big, house of build out. Go on true. Poverty if he dead this year, we gon' kill you. You go dead. It is on sight. Poverty. You are go. Straight gunshot in your bum buckler.
Poverty fi dead this year, we gon' kill you. No spend with budget billions in I picture me dog, you can't liaise in charge, yeah. Get up, cash that trip out. Gone on the plane, I'ma snap that picture. Big stack of blue notes like me sell couple kilos. Regular day, this I don't know what make our chance tonight. Reach for life, every day I break for rise. Month I think we sacrifice.
Rich for life, a day of brick for rise. What you mean, man?
Month I think we sacrifice forever. Hustle till we die. Cheers to life, only tears I dry my cry.
Gotta hustle till we die, man. I want to them, man.
Life, only tears I dry my cry. To see how far we reach in life. No breaks could ever stop me try. Image trophy, that girl I send me clean, tell her I kicks my bossy. Man, grab the phone and take a pic and post it.
Image trophy, I don't think I'm not like kind of, yo, we used to be on like freshness, you know. I don't really like display my freshness on camera. Maybe that's the problem. I'm not really being myself, but I need to start doing that shit more, you know what I'm saying? I want to clean you up, man, not for fresh, and for display that more on camera, bro, you know what I'm saying?
That girl I send me clean, tell her I kicks my bossy. Mad dog, grab the phone and take a pic and post it. Get a girl fast from a send a emoji. She say your roof full of star babes, calm on the moonlight. Grab a skull and wrap it up, I must do right. Somebody call fuel, bitch, me need pure eyes. Life is crazy, need a redo soon, fam. So make our chairs tonight.
This life is crazy, need a redo. Go on, true.
Reach for life, every day I break for rise. Month I think we sacrifice forever. Hustle till we die. Cheers to life, only tears I try my cry. To see how far we reach in life. No breaks could ever stop me try. Feed a new year, feed a new year, feed a new year,
I mean, yeah, I merely that.
feed a new year, feed a new year, feed a new year,
Jquan. Cheers. Big up your damn self, Jquan. Yes, man. Let me tell you, say, man. Really talented artist, man. You see me and say, dog, I was doing thing. You see me and say, man, flow and everything is just like crazy. It's just a vibe. You see me, man can sing and him can DJ and have lyrics. You see me and say, yeah, man, Jquan, you keep doing your thing, man. You see me and say, gang. And let me know what you feel in the comment section. What you think about Jquan? I have a place in that game. You see me and say, he's been doing his thing now. It's like, this is what it's like his sophomore year. How many years now since Jquan been shit? Jquan is probably his third year. Yeah, this is probably his junior year. As a man, this is his third year because last year I didn't really do much, and the year before that I was like, yeah, I'm gonna put Jquan heavy. So this is like third year, if not fourth. You see me answer? So shout out to Jquan, man. Definitely doing his thing. Talented artist having place in that game, man. Can't wait to see where that keep going. Need to be more consistent though. Just keep dropping them fucking bangers on the head top, just back to back to back. Keep your foot on their necks, bro. You see me answer? Keep your foot on their neck, dog. You see me answer? I let me advise you if you're artist, you know. If you're artist, keep your foot on their neck. Just keep dropping bangers. You see me have a bangers. Just keep consistent. Stop trying to next one play and leave out. No man, keep dropping. Till you have the wave. You see me, and you I talk, I tone. You see me, and say then you can say, alright, me I go so bad, and kick back and rally back and can just. You see me? Yeah, man. And if you drop right now, if you're not the artist right now, say at least once or two weeks, you're supposed to drop a tune. You see me, and say, if you're bad like Chronicle, you know, Chronicle drop it, damn near every bumbo clad yes, Chronicle drop a tune. You see me, and say, every 3 days. But shout out to Chronicle though, man. Free Chronicle by the way in the comment section, man. But yeah, man, gang. Let me know what you think in the comment section. As you man say, yeah. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe button. You know, we're fully active. You know. You see me, I say, yeah, do the right thing. Yeah. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.